The CAP Barbell Dumbbell set with rack is an impressive addition to any home gym, offering a comprehensive weight training solution that is both versatile and affordable. Priced at just $189, this set includes pairs of rubber hex dumbbells and weights of 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 pounds, making it a flexible option for those who want to target multiple muscle groups without having to invest in separate pieces of equipment. The set comes complete with a black A-frame dumbbell rack designed to store the weights in an organized, vertical manner, which not only saves floor space but also adds to the aesthetic appeal of your workout area. One of the standout features of this dumbbell set is its durable construction. The dumbbell heads are made from ASTM A48 Class 20 gray iron, which provides a robust feel and a solid performance during intense workouts. The handles, crafted from 1018 cold-rolled solid steel and coated in an extreme durable rubber finish, offer an excellent grip due to their medium-depth knurling. This attention to detail means that during exercises, whether you're doing bicep curls, tricep extensions, or more compound movements, you can feel confident that your grip is secure, reducing the risk of accidents or slippage. Additionally, the hex shape of the dumbbell heads prevents them from rolling around, a small but important feature that adds to the overall safety and convenience during your training sessions. The design of the dumbbell rack is equally thoughtful. Its A-frame configuration is specifically engineered to maximize floor space by storing the dumbbells in a vertical fashion. This not only makes the set a great option for those with limited space, such as apartment dwellers or individuals with home gyms in smaller rooms, but it also ensures that the weights are easily accessible and well organized. Rubber inserts in the rack help prevent any scratches or marks on both the weights and the rack itself, which is a nice touch for maintaining the quality and appearance of your workout equipment over time. In terms of versatility, the CAP Barbell Dumbbell set is ideal for a wide range of training routines. Whether you are focusing on isolation exercises to target specific muscle groups or engaging in full-body workouts, these dumbbells provide the flexibility needed to adapt to your workout regimen. They are particularly well-suited for functional training and HIIT workouts, where a varied range of motions and resistance levels are required. This versatility makes the set a valuable asset for both beginners who are just starting their strength training journey and seasoned fitness enthusiasts looking to add a reliable piece of equipment to their arsenal. Assembly of the dumbbell rack is straightforward and user-friendly. Customers have noted that the rack is sturdy and easy to assemble, contributing to a well-organized setup right from the start. The fact that the set ships in multiple boxes might initially seem a bit inconvenient, but most users find that the clear packaging and labeling help simplify the process. Once assembled, the rack not only provides a neat storage solution but also enhances the overall functionality of the dumbbell set by keeping everything in one place, which is crucial for a smooth and efficient workout routine. While most reviews are positive, it is worth mentioning that some users have reported a noticeable chemical smell upon unboxing the dumbbells. Fortunately, this odor appears to fade after a few weeks of use. In some cases, a simple cleaning with dish soap, such as Dawn, has been sufficient to eliminate the smell and any slight oil sheen that might be present on the weights. Despite this minor inconvenience, customers appreciate the overall quality and durability of the set, and many note that these issues do not affect the performance or longevity of the dumbbells. Overall, with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from nearly 5,000 global ratings, the CAP Barbell Dumbbell set with rack has clearly struck a chord with users who value both quality and affordability in their home gym equipment. The set's design ensures that it is not only functional and versatile but also easy to store, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to create an organized and effective workout space. Whether you are performing a quick circuit of HIIT exercises or engaging in a more methodical strength training routine, this dumbbell set offers the performance and reliability needed to help you achieve your fitness goals. For those seeking an affordable, durable, and versatile dumbbell set, CAP Barbell has delivered a product that is as practical as it is efficient, a must-have for any home gym enthusiast.